What's up, you guys? As you can see, I printed Rick Sanchez from Rick and Morty. Now, the link will be down in the description below. It's free file on Thingiverse, and I did him 200% scale. So he's actually 37 centimeters, for my American friends, about 14.5 inches. 200% is tall. Now, you're probably wondering, why in the freaking world did he print him transparent? Because I'm cheap and I don't know, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I use transparent film right here. Nothing special about it. The company's called Longer. Expected results as I thought. It's not really transparent. You can't really see my finger, you know. But why did I do that? Let's follow along. So the idea was, and the file is going to be down in the link description, it's a free Thingiverse file, do something with transparent PLA and add LED lights and see what the effect is. I was curious, you know, I wanted a very massive effect from it, and I was thinking, what would work perfect? Well, how about the guy that does all the sci-fi stuff to start glowing in different colors? That'll be perfect, right? Good old Rick Sanchez. Yeah, that's the effect of it. This was printed on a Creality CR10S Pro printer, and there were some blemishes, a little bit on the shoulders. This was actually printed upside down, as you saw in the time lapse, because it used way less support filament. I mean, way less. Initially, this is going to be about 350 grams, but it turned out to be about 250 grams. It's actually hollow inside. What I did to make it super transparent is make it 0% infill. That's it. It's all walls. Now, I was thinking that's a bit risky, that it will be too fragile, so I should increase the wall count. So I went from 2 to 3, and it's definitely very sturdy. Like, I'm not scared of banging him around, knock him upside the head, and he could take a hit. He's almost too sturdy. I could have gone with 2 walls and still printed it this big with no infill. Honestly, kind of want to stop using infill for my future prints. But yeah, the orientation, this was maybe a 12-hour print, I think. It was about 10 and a half, 11 hours, give or take. I didn't go crazy on the speed. I wanted good detail. It got the eyebrows, the eyes, everything very, very well. And like I said, the transparent PLA effect is awesome. I didn't even sand it, didn't do much really to it. I didn't think it was needed. It's just, it's transparent PLA. I love it. I didn't think I would like transparent PLA this much. I mean, it's not going to be translucent like a piece of glass, and it looks awesome. It looks really freaking awesome. But yeah, I did it. It works amazing. I kind of want to work and experiment more with transparent PLA, where, you know, if I can just color the coat, if that'll give different effects, or the hair, or install lights inside of it. But this looks beautiful. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below, what you guys think. If you got ideas of what else you want to see me do next, well, go for it. This is a nice break from the Iron Man suit project. If you haven't seen that, hit the link in the description down below. I got a whole bunch of videos. I'm doing a whole wearable suit on Iron Man. But yeah, this was a nice break from it all. If you enjoy 3D printing content and want more of it, hit the sub button down below and enjoy the video. Smash a thumbs up, really helps me out. Appreciate you guys and all the love you give in all the videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.